Let's start with the system. The split view mode in the Neo reader has helped our users do other tasks while reading. In the latest firmware, we make this feature available in the system, which means you can split the screen to use any two third-party applications at the same time. You can check emails without interrupting the current task, browse for information when studying a file, and swap the position of the two apps to make them comply with your handedness. Browsing the internet used to be a challenge for e-ink tablets, so we made a new app to solve some issues. BOOX Neo browser is made for the e-ink display. We offer the full screen mode, font size change, and scrolling button to help you better view web content on your BOOX devices. After you're done using an app, you can use gestures to switch tasks, go back to the home page, and do more. You can group the applications by your preference, and then swipe to take a screenshot in a millisecond. BOOX Neo Reader can handle more than 20 file formats. In the V3.0 firmware, you can also open PowerPoint presentations, write on them, and embed the notes into the files. BOOX is a great device for language learning and book reading, and many of our users like reading books in foreign languages. To help you learn new words and understand the content, we integrate the third-party dictionary applications into the Neo Reader, so you can look up words in the third-party dictionary pop-ups directly without copy and paste. In the Notes app, we've also made some improvements. Layers, the much anticipated feature, finally comes with V3.0 firmware. We've also added two more new brushes, the pencil and marker pen stroke. The pencil stroke is pressure sensitive and fantastically mimics the texture of the real pencil stroke, while the new organizing interface can help avid note-takers organize notes more quickly. You can directly move a specific page frontward and backward, copy it, and paste it into any notebook without leaving the current interface.